Hi there, I'm Ongyi and I'm 5 months old. I live here with soft places to nap, secret spots to hide, and warm light that moves through every part of the house. Our home is a 1-bedroom condo located in the Prince Charles Crescent area.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. Welcome to our home. I've always dreamed of living in a space that feels bright, lively, and calming. A place that reflects simplicity without feeling too stark. I'm drawn to minimalist design because of its clean lines and sense of spaciousness. When I first saw this home, though, it felt quite the opposite. The layout was closed in, and the overall feel was dark and heavy. Still, I saw potential. With the right changes, I knew it could become the bright, open, and peaceful space I had imagined. The foyer felt like a warm welcome every time we stepped through the door. The soft pastel yellow at the entrance adds just a hint of cheer. It's a little detail that makes coming home feel extra comforting, even though the rest of the space is kept calm and mostly white. Rossa and Simon, our interior designers, picked this color because she felt it reflects me, and I love it too. It's such a cheerful way to begin and end each day. Working with Rossa and Simon made the whole journey feel effortless. They understood what I needed, even before I could explain it, and helped turn every little idea into something practical and beautiful.
I like it here too. It's cozy and there's just enough spots for me to wander, play, and nap, especially the bed. That's definitely my favorite place.
I cook often, so having plenty of countertop space was really important to me. The kitchen flows smoothly from the foyer, creating a continuous space with clean lines and thoughtful design. I like how Rossa and Simon use color to visually separate the two areas.
I love it when my mommy plays with me while she's waiting for her food to cook. Other times, I just sit nearby and quietly enjoy the moment with her. Okay, this is my private powder room. It's hidden, tiny, and just the right size for me.
I wanted the litter box to be thoughtfully integrated, not just placed anywhere. So we created a discreet nook within a TV console to keep it neatly tucked away. This helps maintain a clean, uncluttered look while keeping the home pet-friendly. Storage was also a big priority. I needed plenty of space to stay organized without bulky cabinets crowding the rooms. To keep the space feeling light and open, we chose a floating display cabinet instead of a floor-to-ceiling one, balancing functionality with simple, airy design. One of the best design suggestions Rossa and Simon gave us was to replace part of the bedroom wall with glass. It really helped open up the space and brought in so much natural light. When I need privacy, I simply draw the curtains. It's a perfect balance between openness and privacy. And when they're open, I can still see Ongyi from across the room. That always makes me smile.
So yeah, this is our home. It's warm, simple, and filled with the little things that matter. Now, if you excuse me, it's time for my favorite part of the day. Nap time. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.